how to change the batteries in an Everwarm Fireplace remote. Tools you'll need for this are a little flathead screwdriver, 4 AA batteries, and 1 watch battery. The Everwarm remote has its battery jack at the bottom. Do not take off this screw on the back. You have no need to take that off. What you'll need to do is take your screwdriver and down at the bottom of the remote, when I flip it up here, there's a little spot to stick it in there. Also, a set of keys may work for this, but you stick it in, just leverage it out, and there will be your coin or watch battery that you can stick back in there, as you see here. The positive side is always facing up. It just slides right into the port there, and then you slide it back into the remote, as we are doing here. Watch battery into the port, sliding back into the remote, and then you're all good to go on your Everwarm remote. For the receiver, the little black box that's connected to your Pilot, there are 4 AA batteries. Your receiver should look like this, and on the bottom there's a little arrow that you push up, and there's your 4 batteries. You want to replace both batteries in the receiver and the remote if you're having issues. Even if your batteries are dead, you will still be able to manually turn the Fireplace on by pushing it all the way to the right. All the way to the right is on, in the middle is remote, and to the left is off. So make sure you're on remote, and then you can test your remote to make sure it is working. If the on switch works and the remote doesn't, this is a good indication that you need to change your batteries. If you have a brand new Everwarm remote and you need to pair the remote to the receiver, this is how you do that. You take a pen or pencil, you hit the Learn button in the upper right, and then you keep pressing on until it lights up. It could take 5 to 10 tries. It's trying to find the proper frequency. And that's how you set up your Everwarm remote or replace the batteries.